Session 5, create forms and reports using wizard in DBMS. In rest of the sessions, we had seen how to create table, what is primary key, after that what is query, how to create queries in wizard. Now let's see what is in session 5. In session 4, we had checked these three things. Now in session 5, create forms and reports using wizard. In it, we have to see how to create forms using wizard, how to enter data, how to insert or delete records in the form view, how to create report in the wizard report, okay, and demonstrate various examples of report. These were few of the topics we have to discuss in session 5. Let us start DBMS. This one is open office and we have to go inside this database. Let us take an existing file as like school, as we all are doing. In school, we are having three tables. One is accounts, second one is table 1, third one is table 2. We all had seen how to create table in design view, how to create table in wizard. Similarly, in case of query also, we had created these three query tables with their few of the queries. We had seen how to create query in design view, similarly in the wizard pattern, and how to create query in SQL view, sequential query language. Okay. Now let us see, today's topic is forms, how to create forms in DBMS. For that, we will use wizard view. Use wizard to create form. We will click over here. When you will click, you will get a dialog box, a form wizard dialog box, which will ask you for the table. You are having these many tables with you: query 1, query 2, query 3, table accounts, table 1, table 2. Let us take a table. Then you can select them one by one in this way, or at a time in this pattern. Okay. If you will click on this double arrow, you will see that all the data will be shifted from this particular area to this area. Now click over next. Again click over next. You will see you have got few of the patterns. What type of data will be executed here? These were the pattern of the forms. Tabular form. This one is in blocks. This one is columnar form in different columns. And this one is label left in the column. Let us select anyone. Now go to next. When you will go to next, you will see that the option is the form is to display all data. Okay, this one is default selected. If you will tick over any one of them, it will work according to its statement. What it is? Do not allow modification of existing data. If you will take over this particular option, you will not allowed to modify the existing data present over your table. जो भी आपके टेबल में प्रेजेंट है उसको आप मॉडिफाई नहीं कर पाएंगे, इसलिए इसको हटा देते हैं। हम लोग चाहते हैं कि टेबल को एडिट करें। डू नॉट अलाउ डिलीशन ऑफ एग्जिस्टिंग डेटा। अगर इसको क्लिक कर दीजिएगा तो आप टेबल डेटा को डिलीट नहीं कर सकते हैं, जो भी एग्जिस्टिंग डेटा है वो डिलीट नहीं होगा। थर्ड वन, डू नॉट अलाउ एडिशन ऑफ न्यू डेटा। जैसे डिलीट नहीं होगा तो ऐसे एडिशन भी नहीं होगा। इफ यू विल क्लिक दीज डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस, you will see that your data will be logged or your data will be not allowed for the modification or deletion or addition. Okay, so we are just wanting to have the data but with all different modifications. Let us click over next. When you will click on next, you will see that the different styles is visible here. You have to select any one of them. देखिए अलग अलग आपके स्क्रीन पे आ रहा है, ये सब में से कोई भी एक सिलेक्ट करना है आपको। Now if you want to get no border, means no border over this particular boxes, the text areas, this one is called as label, this one is called as text area or the box where the data will be displayed according to your field name. ये आपका फील्ड नेम है, जो आपका फील्ड नेम आपने टेबल में बनाया था वो फील्ड नेम यहाँ पे लेवल के हिसाब से शो होता है। ओके, एंड दोस डेटा विल बी इन दीज एरियाज। ओके, इफ यू नीड टू सी द 3D book, 3D look on that time, click over here. On the flat purpose, see, it is having a flat border, it is having 3D border, it is having no border. Okay, I am selecting it with any one color. Let it be this one. Next. Now it is asking for the form name. What form name you want to give? Form 1. Let us give a form name as form 1. Okay, done. Now our form is ready. Let us finish it. Finished. Now our data is on the table. Whatever is on the table, that will be in our form. How to get rest of the data? See here, 1 to 11, record number 1 of total 11 records we are having in this table. See, record number 2, same way record number 3, record number 4. We can add or edit, for example, Ashok Kumar Singh. Okay, I had added or modified the name. Similarly for next, Ramesh Gupta. Okay, on any field, for example, total marks will be 99, percentage 98. Similarly for all the datas, one after another, you will be allowed to modify it in this place. Whatever you will modify, that will be automatically transferred to your main table. Okay, let us see. Now one thing more, when I am coming to the end of our table, I am getting a blank boxes also. That means I am having at present 11 records as per my table. Now I want to give or add one more record. For example, 5656, student name Raja, class 8C. Okay, library ID, let it be 8C001, total 999, percentage 99%, average let it be 99. or 100%. Okay. Similarly, once again, if you will click on this particular next record, again we will get a blank space. No need to do it. Go back, open your table. Table is table number 1. See one record, Raja. This one is the admission number 8C. The record is already visible here. Okay. This one is the record, the first one. First one is the record for this particular ID. In this way, we can add or modify our forms. The way or the pattern of editing the form is this. In this way, we are getting, if we have to delete any record, for example, the last record which I had just now created, this one, I want to delete it. Okay, click on this option, delete record, the data will be deleted. Okay, if you want to see the data source as table, आपके टेबल में किस तरह का डेटा है, देखिए यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे डेटा सोर्स में, देखिए आपका पार्टीशन हो गया स्क्रीन का. इन दिस स्क्रीन यू विल गेट योर टेबल व्यू एज वेल एज द फॉर्म व्यू. जिस फॉर्म में आप चाहते हैं, जैसा चाहते हैं उस तरीके का वो डेटा जैसे जैसे आप अपडेट कीजिएगा आपके स्क्रीन पे डेटा डिस्प्ले होता रहेगा. सी इन दिस एरिया वी आर गेटिंग the mouse pointer is moving according to our movement. See 5656 5656 Raja 8C, then 4556 456 Ram. In this way we are just getting the output or the data as per our requirement. Okay, now after doing the forms, we can change the labels also, the background also, as we had seen just now. Okay, search record using forms, just now we had searched. Okay, now come to report portion. Insert and deletion of record we had also seen in the report. Now come to this part, the last part of this particular chapter is report. Again go to create report. From there we will get these many tables. Select a table, select all of them. Now see here, these were the field names which is given in your table. Now this one will be the label. Label means, as I had shown you just now in the form, that the material, the pattern in this, in the way in which your field will be displayed, that one is called as label. I need the full admission number, ADMISSION, admission number. In this way I need. Okay, same way student name, I need student name, then class, then library ID. Okay, total, percentage, average, same, no need to change. Click over the next, again click over the next. The undefined means the sorting pattern, in which way your data will be sorted. Let it be as per the admission number. Admission number के हिसाब से हम sorting करेंगे इसको. और भी किसी के साथ अगर आप sorting करना चाह रहे हैं तो ये sorting continuously one after another आपको select करना होगा. Now come to next. When you will come to next, you will get the different patterns. See, as like our report, our form, we are getting here the different border patterns, different outlook. See the outlook here, I am just clicking over the part and your outlook is changing. Cinema roll, look here, as like the cinema roll we are getting the data. See, every time whenever I am changing the field, the layout of the data is changing automatically. ठीक है, हम बबल्स में जाते हैं. ओके, आउटलाइन बॉर्डर, बॉर्डर भी कर दिए। ओके, रेड एंड ब्लू बॉर्डर, रेड एंड ब्लू बॉर्डर का हो गया आपका। पोर्ट्रेट और लैंडस्केप, दिस वन, दिस शेप इज portrait or landscape. Yes, I think all of you had answered right. This one is landscape. Now, portrait side. Portrait is this one. Okay. Click over the next. Give the report name. Let it be report 1. Okay. And click over the next. Final view. Now, this one is your final view of creating a report. In this way, we are creating report. See, these were the data which we had created just now. ठीक है, हम लोग अभी जो डेटा क्रिएट किए, हम लोग के पास जो डेटा था उसको हम लोग चेंज किए. नाउ आई वांट टू डू सम मॉडिफिकेशन इन द टेबल. यहाँ पे ऑथर ए सी क्या लिखा हुआ आई डोंट नो. आई वांट टू चेंज इट. आई वांट टू गिव माय नेम. ओके, आई विल गो टू दैट पर्टिकुलर रिपोर्ट. Click on the edit portion. In the edit, I am getting the option to modify. Okay, let it be the author is DAV Satar. Okay, symbol 2020, date format. Okay, now in library ID, I am just squeezing it little bit. Little bit this particular part so that name will get some more space there, as because name is having more characters as compared to rest of all. Okay, after doing it, save. Our data is saved, our editing is saved. Let us see Rahul Raj Singh Gajwade, then Kumar Abhishek, then Amar Kumar, then Ashok Kumar Singh, then Ramesh Gupta, then Rakesh. In this way, our data modified and we had edited our, see here, it is also been done that DAV Satar. Previously it was something else as like AC. Now it is DAV Satar. In this way, we are doing our work and we are modifying the forms also. Okay, these were the different examples, different forms, different patterns we are having in our database management system. Hope it is clear. Rest will be in our next video.